I want
Why did you come?
I was coming to drink your
Huh?
I was coming to drink your pop.
You came to drink my pop? What about to give me a kiss? Can I have a kiss? No? You just want me for my pop today? Oh, yum. That costs a kiss. That'll cost you one kiss. Are you gonna save me, Annie? Huh? You gonna save some for Aunt Tracy? I'm thirsty.
I'm saving some.
You're saving some? Thank you. You're cute. Sure doesn't look like it.
Mm.
Fly.